Sandra from the YouTube channel The Puzzling Canadian has come up with a new challenge. So here's my entry in the Gifted Puzzle Challenge. I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Here's the story behind this puzzle. I have a part-time job as a grocery clerk at a local supermarket, and one of the responsibilities of grocery clerks is to assist customers who need help carrying their groceries out to their car. If a customer uses the courtesy mobility cart to get their groceries, a grocery clerk will be called up to the front to help them carry their groceries out to their car and then to ride the mobility cart back into the store. I like to do this because it's the one chance I get during the day to actually sit down on the job. I'd been paged a few times to assist a lady who uses the cart, and she asked me to load her groceries into the back seat. And in the back seat, I saw a jigsaw puzzle. And I said to her, "Oh, you like jigsaw puzzles?" And she said, well, it was her husband who actually liked doing the puzzles. And did I want to have that puzzle? And I immediately said, no, thank you. And she says, well, I'm just taking it over to Goodwill. He's done with it. And I looked at the puzzle, and it was of a sailing ship. And I thought, oh, that might be an interesting puzzle. So I said, sure. And when I picked it up, I realized it seemed awfully light. And so I gave it a shake, and that's when I realized the box was empty. So I pointed out to her, this box is empty. And she goes, oh no, my husband forgot to put the puzzle back in it. So that was that. A couple of weeks later, I saw her again. I helped her with her groceries. And she said, in the back seat, there's another puzzle that my husband wasn't interested in doing. Would I like it? And I looked and I saw it was the 1,500-piece Ravensburger puzzle of the Boston waterfront. It looked like it had seen a bit of wear and tear, but it was still in its original plastic. So I said, sure, thank you very much. Only later I noticed it was published in 2004, so it's a 20-year-old puzzle. So I thanked her, took the puzzle over to my own car, and then rode the mobility cart back into the store. So that's how this puzzle qualifies for the Gifted Puzzle Challenge. I honestly thought this puzzle would give me an enjoyable 8 to 10 hours of solving. Little did I know it would take 10 hours to finish the top third of that puzzle with all that identically shaded blue sky. 17 hours in total, but other than brute forcing those sky pieces, it was actually a really enjoyable puzzle. So let's do this. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.